How you doing?
Hey, it's been a long time.
Yeah. So $3.
We're at the new location today. And of course I chose the hottest month of the year to come. All right, let's go check it
I
out.
don't know my thing now. Everybody who showed me pictures had a better setup than me. I'm like, oh.
Two large rooms. Lot to discover. Let's go look. Well, guys, I got here and they were closing in 20 minutes.
I'll sell it for 15. Try to keep it.
Yeah, you see
It's
that?
actually packing it.
I made it past a couple of booths and then I looked up and everybody was packing up. So that's what happened. I thought I'd make a little bit of video here. So I thought that toy show was till 4 or 5 o'clock. Well, I didn't even leave the house till 12:30 to head over there. So I'm not sure exactly what time it was when I got there, but either way, when I got there and went inside, some guy in the front room told me they're closing in like 25 minutes. I said, what? 25 minutes? Oh man. I was like, well, I better hurry then. Well, I bought a Tesla Cybertruck from him because Kelvin loves the Tesla Cybertruck. He's got a remote control one, but I thought it'd be fun for him to just have a regular one he could roll. Well, he sold that to me for $5, and I saw it later for $1. But I didn't have time to go look around, so I didn't know if I was going to see it again. Anyway, so I went to the other room. I thought, okay, let me just go through. And I visited one vendor who had some pretty cool stuff, but I thought, okay, let me just get around and hurry up and look around before they pack everything away. So I went around for a moment. Got at one table, bought 10 cars for $10. That's a pretty good deal, just based on cars. I'll show those to you in a little bit. And then I looked up and the place was halfway empty already. Man, it was going quick. I said, dude, I'm out of time. I gotta hurry. I didn't have time to look at anything else. So I went back to the table I was at previously and I got a couple vehicles there. Paid $25. But yeah, I did pick up another Tesla Cybertruck from the $1 lady for $1. So yeah, I got one for $5 and I got one for $1. So there's a $3 average there. Anyway, so $40 plus admission, $43. Let's take a look and closer look at what I got. Okay, folks, I just got back from the toy show. This is my coupon. They'll usually take these coupons and they'll call out a number and you can win a prize or something. But I got there late. I didn't hear anybody calling coupons, so I probably missed out on that deal. Okay, first thing I picked up was a Cybertruck, a Tesla Cybertruck. And as I mentioned before, I paid $5 for this. Had I looked around, I would have found it later on for only $1. And the lady who had them for $1, she had like 3 or 4 of them. But I didn't know, and time was short, so that was my first pickup. But I like it. I got this for Kelvin because he loves these Teslas. Oh, look at that! I didn't see that painted tail light. That's pretty cool. You even got painted headlights. That is not a sheen. That is actual paint. Anyway, pretty cool. Tesla Cybertruck. All right, the next place I went to, I got 10 cars for $10. And here's what I picked up. I was going for real painted headlights and taillights. Real world cars. None of the fantasy cars this time. Let me see, we got a license plate. Nice. 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Okay. All right. Dodge Daytona. I got this for Kelvin. He's gonna like this one. There we go. He loves these cars. So I picked him up one. New for 2013. Yeah, only 9 years later. Okay. We have a Volvo 850 Estate. I just picked up one of these not too long ago. A couple days ago, actually. A green one. So now I got a yellow one. Can't remember if I have a red one or not. Seems like maybe I just saw the red one somewhere and didn't actually buy it. All right, got an Audi Avant RS2. Yeah. These European cars. Mazda. Pretty cool. I like that too. Got a Range Rover. I've really been in the mood for these base lines with the painted details lately, if you've been watching. And of course there's my $1 Tesla Cybertruck. I'll keep that one. Oh, I got them backwards here. This was the $5 one. Got a Jaguar F-Type. Super cool. Picked up a black one of these a couple days ago. Another Jaguar. Acura NSX. Okay, these last two I picked up for $25. This one was $15. This is my most expensive car to buy here. It's from the Fast and Furious. A lot of these guys sell these in sets, and I'm not interested in a set. I just want one particular vehicle. He had already broken up his set, so. And I got this pickup for $10. It's from the Auto World. That's my haul. Toy show. Probably good thing that that I got there a little late, because if I got there too early, oh my goodness, I'd have a hole in my pocket. See you next time.